All right, after struggling with the suspension, air suspension on this 22-year-old Lexus, we got the air ride out and we got the static suspension, a little bit of lift kit, but now we have a air suspension light that's coming on and we need to disarm it, disengage it. So we're gonna get in here to the fuses. We're in the fuse box. All right, so on the bottom of the lid, we got all the fuses, relays. You want to look for air suspension 50 amp lined up. You can see how it lines up here. Air suspension 50 amp. Pull it right out. And we want to look back. You got the air suspension 10 amp down here. Pull that out. That's all there is to it. Now we'll button this up to make sure that light's off. You're gonna remove these.